In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add channels on MetaTrader 5. Let's dive right in and explore how you can enhance your technical analysis by using channels, which are a valuable tool for identifying trends and potential points of support and resistance on your trading charts. First things first, you want to begin by opening MetaTrader 5 and selecting the chart that you are interested in analyzing. This step is crucial because channels help you define the price movement trends within this specific chart. Once you have your desired chart in front of you, direct your attention to the menu bar at the top of your screen. Now, we're going to navigate to the Insert menu. Clicking on Insert will reveal a drop-down list of different objects you can use to enhance your chart. Look for the option labeled Objects and hover over it. As you do this, you will see another drop-down menu appear. Move your cursor down to the Channels section. This is where you'll find the variety of channels at your disposal: equidistant channel, standard deviation channel, and regression channel. It's essential to choose the right type of channel for your analysis needs. An equidistant channel is great for identifying symmetrical price movements, whereas a standard deviation channel is useful for analyzing volatility, as it includes lines that capture the price range above and below an average line. If you're interested in examining a trend line that best fits the data points, the regression channel might be your best choice. Once you've selected the type of channel you intend to use, it's time to apply it to your chart. Click on your chosen channel type, and then move your cursor over to the chart. Click once to set the starting point of your channel, which typically represents a significant turning point in the trend, or where you want to start capturing the movement. With the starting point locked in, you now need to define the trend direction. You can do this by dragging your cursor in the direction that mirrors the chart's trend you want to follow. It's as simple as clicking and holding the mouse button, then dragging your cursor along the chart to create the channel. When you have dragged it to the desired length, release the mouse button to fix the channel in place. Sometimes the default width of the channel might not adequately fit the price data you wish to encapsulate. In such cases, you can make further adjustments by clicking on the channel boundaries. Simply drag the boundary to increase or decrease the width, ensuring your channel accurately represents the trend you want to analyze. Following these steps will enable you to effectively add and customize channels on your MetaTrader 5 charts, providing you with a visual guide to evaluate market trends and make informed trading decisions. Thank you for watching, and be sure to practice these steps to become more proficient in your technical analysis.